Alright, so here I am again. I'm back. These my kids are being entertained. I have everything that was in the box. We just did the unboxing before, and the kids were going crazy, so I had to do this out of, you know, out of that space. I'm in the office now, so hopefully they'll be quiet. I really loved how everything came in it was wrapped nicely. We got the appraisal here, and then we had a certificate from the Pearl Science Laboratory, and it's basically appraising and like telling me what the grading is for my Hanadama Akoya pearls, which is this one here. So pretty. I'm in love. So excited to wear them. And so it's cultured Akoya, and I love how everything came out like it's 0.55 thickness for the nacre, and like I couldn't have asked for anything better. And then the body color and the iridescence, like you can tell a little bit. It's like a little pink overtone and like green. And actually, now that I have it side by side, I was thinking that this is a little pink overtone, but now I can't tell. It's either cream or pink. But I love it. Like you can really tell like what the quality is. Yeah, I have it both on like the wood surface here, and then on the white surface where you can see a little better. Oh, so in love. And it came with a pouch, and I think I'm just gonna keep my Hanadamas in this pouch because it looks a little nicer. And I have my where to put the pearls. Like what I found when my kids took it apart was you can actually set it up like this and have it standing up to put the pearls on display, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so we can probably, I don't have it, yeah, it's kind of hard doing it, like, but you get the idea. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Like, I'm beyond happy, like, with the pearls that came in. So, really, really recommend Pearls of Joy, and I can't wait to wear the pearls. So, bye everyone.